What's up, y'all? It's your boy Cahden, Alpha Nerd, and we in it. Today's topic is gonna be why she doesn't respect you, bro. And she never will if you still out here having beta male weak tendencies. But I'm gonna show you and tell you a little bit about female nature and why she doesn't respect you, bro. So stick around for the whole video. Drop a like. It takes 2 seconds, but it make all the difference. And for the first time on my channel, I get to cue the intro. Alright, y'all, let's get straight to it. So, today's topic, like I said, is gonna be why she doesn't respect you. You wanna know why she don't respect you, bro? Cause you ain't got nothing going for yourself, dog. You ain't got nothing happening, bro. You ain't on your purpose. You don't go to the gym, bro. You still eating bad. You not putting on weight. You not losing weight. You not gaining muscle. You not doing nothing, bro. The center of your universe, bro, has been this girl. And guess what? No matter how much red pill knowledge you take in, bro, if you not applying the things that I and everybody else teach, you stuck, bro. You gonna be stuck. And guess what? She not gonna respect you. You want to know why she not going to respect you? Because you too available, dog. These females ain't out here respecting nobody who too available, dog. She going to take your time for granted. She going to think she could dick around with your time. And you going to let her because you ain't got nothing else better to do, dog. You ain't on your purpose. You still dicking around, and every time she hit your phone up, you responding in 2 minutes. Every time she call you, you quick to pick up the phone after 2 rings, bro. What do you think that's doing? That is killing her respect and attraction. You are no longer a prize, bro. You are no longer someone who she has to fight for their attention because you easy to get to. You super easy to get to. Honestly, these women nowadays, they more ruthless than ever, bro. Like with the Jada and Will stuff. Like go back to my Jada and Will video. I told y'all what I thought about the female nature on that. But with the Jada and Will stuff, bro, they are ruthless, bro. They are. Like, these women are out here and they are just completely running wild because the feminist movement and society just telling them that they could do what they want to. And guess what? Blue pill, beta male, bitch ass simps, bro, are coming to their defense and justifying the things that they do and making them feel as if it's correct, bro. So that's just telling them twice that, hey, I could do whatever I want to do with these dudes and they still gonna chase me. They still gonna do this. They still gonna do that. So I might as well do whatever I want to do, bro. You want to know what the difference is? She like to chase the dude who ain't having that shit. She like to chase the dude who ain't giving her his time. She like to chase the dude who ain't subscribing to all of that bullshit. And it's a reason for that, bro. Because that man has value because he's a high value male, bro. That's why. At the end of the day, female nature gonna always be female nature, bro. She is not gonna respect a dude who don't stand up to her. You probably don't even stand up to your girl, bro. You got so much time on your hands. She hit you up. She got a bitchy attitude. And you just let it ride because you ain't got nothing else better to do. Or you scared to lose her. You scared to cut her off. That's bitch shit, bro. And you got to correct that. Because at the end of the day, if you don't correct that, then you end up in the blue pill orbiter position. Or, you know, even worse, she use you as a blue pill beta male provider, and here you are spending all your money taking care of this girl while she's secretly chasing some alpha dude that she really care about, bro. Or some alpha dude that she really want to dick her down. Let's keep it a buck. Your boy Cahden is out here in the trenches with you, bro. The only way you gonna make these women respect you, whether you got a girlfriend, whether you red pill, whether you purple pill, however you want to do it, the only way you're going to make these women respect you is to get on your grind, make your money, get on your purpose, bro, and make her less than a priority, bro. You got to make her less than a priority. It got to be 2, 3, 4 things before her, bro. Like, for example, me with these females, they barely get a message back from me in the same day, bro. She texts me at noon or something like that, bro. She might get a message back at like 7 o'clock, 8 o'clock at night. Because it's so much more important shit that come before her, bro. Like my purpose doing these videos for y'all. Like going to the gym, bro. Shit, I put playing basketball with my boys above these females, dog. And guess what that do? That just spike her attraction. That just make her wonder, I wonder what he doing. Like, what's taking so long to respond to my text? And all just basically making me a mystery, making you a mystery if you do things the correct way, bro. But that's what you gotta do out here, bro. Honestly, we live in a time where anything a female do is validated by somebody. It's gonna be validated. So the hardest validation to combat is the validation she gonna chase the most. She could get validation any day, every day, bro. She don't value that. What she does value is what she has to chase, bro. What she does respect is what she has to chase, bro. That's what she values and respects at the end of the day. What she has to chase. Think about it. Think about it. At that red table, and I know I'm bringing this up again because it's just such a good example of like what we're doing. At that red table, Jada didn't seem no type of remorseful, bro. It's like, yo, I fucked one of your friends, one of the friends of the family, and oh, it was a learning experience, bro. No remorse in what she do, bro. You want to know why? Because she look on her timeline, she look around, and there's millions of women like, oh, girl, you did the right thing. Or y'all was broken up. It's okay. It's okay. She getting validation. She got millions of dudes who simp as hell validating what she did. She probably got dudes right now in her inbox or whatever hitting her up right now like, yo, you want to da-da-da or we could do this. You feel me? Like, at the end of the day, she got validation and she don't need Will validation. She don't need to respect Will at this point. You want to know why? Because Will didn't just leave her ass behind. Yeah, he was like, yeah, I'm going to get you back. And I get it. I feel that. I understand. He like, yeah, I'm about to probably fuck all your friends. You know what I mean? But guess what? It's a little too late because you let her cross the line already, dog. When you let these women cross the line, they lose all respect for you. They do stuff like fuck around with your friends, friends of the family. They do stuff like that. It's not the same, bro. So at the end of the day, that was just a great example. I don't want this to be a Will and Jada video at all. But at the end of the day, if you really want a woman to respect you, you have to put you first, big dog. You have to. You got to put you first. That's just the red pill truth, my dude. It's your boy, Cahden, Alpha Nerd. We in it. Don't forget to comment, like, subscribe. Let me know what y'all want to hear. Let me know what y'all thought about the video. All of that good stuff. I got a Patreon. It's in the link below. If you want to pledge to the Patreon, I'm going to start posting exclusive videos on there soon. If you need help with a specific relationship problem, hit my inbox, bro. Get the help you need. That being said, it's your boy, Cahden, Alpha Nerd. I'm in the trenches with you. Cue that outro, bro.